I did not believe it either, but this herb fights depression brilliantly. Discover how to make St. John's wort infusion, a plant and home remedy beneficial and ideal in cases of mild or moderate depression. Depression is a emotional disorder that affects our body, our thinking, our mood, and ultimately the way we perceive the reality that surrounds us at all times. While it is true that there are pharmacological and medical treatments that are ideal and necessary when dealing with severe depressions, sometimes, especially in those cases where we have mild or transient depressions, it is a good idea to opt for natural antidepressants. This is the case of St. John's wort, popularly known also as the herb of St. John, and is characterized by being a plant that the ancient Greeks used as a natural remedy in case of depressive states and anxiety. Its antidepressant benefits are due to its content in Hyperforin, a derivative of Floroglucine that is attributed effects on the neurotransmitters and the different nerve cells in the brain, inhibiting the recapture of norepinephrine, dopamine, gamma-aminobutyric acid and glutamate. Hence, it helps to combat mild or moderate depression by reducing its symptoms. How to make Hypericum infusion. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of dry St. John's wort, 1 cup of water. Preparation of St. John's wort infusion. 1. Boil the equivalent of a cup of water in a saucepan. When the water boils, add the teaspoons of St. John's wort. 2. Leave to boil for 5 minutes. After this time, turn off the fire, cover and let stand for another 3 minutes. Finally, she drains and drinks. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.